Hello, hello, welcome to Fun Friday. This is Dawn and I am in my bowling attire. That's right, because tonight is Bowling Friday with Carl and Courtney Browning. So friends of ours invited us to come bowling with them on Friday nights. It goes from January to April. And it is so much fun. This is my Austin Powers ball. I've had it for like 20 plus years. It has my name on it. It's my favorite ball because it helps me throw straight shots. So with this ball, I usually use this as my pickup ball, or the ball that gets me all the spares when I miss it on my strike. So I have another ball, and the next ball that I purchased is a ball that's called Joyride. And this is my bowling partner, Michael. And so it's great to have you here this morning, honey. Thank you for joining us. And this ball is my Joyride, supposedly, but doesn't cause a lot of joy for me. It's a fingertip grip that you're supposed to like hold it with your fingertips, throw it down the alley, and then it's supposed to spin and hit into the pocket for delicious strikes every time. Well, this ball doesn't give me delicious strikes every time. That is for darn sure. So I need my Austin Powers ball to pick up those pins. So I'm wearing my bowling shirt today. Mike is too, so that you can see what we go with our attire on Friday nights. And it is so much fun. It's like double date night. We have lots of food that we shouldn't be eating. You know, it's bowling alley food, of course, fries and pizza and a lot of fun times. And we laugh and we giggle and we throw our bowling balls down the aisle. And I'm so competitive, right? So if we're like winning, I don't want my average to be so high, so then I sandbag and like throw the ball between my legs or do something silly, and then Mike dances up and down the alley. So it's really a lot of fun. So that's what we're up to tonight. That's our date night every other Friday. Tell me what you do for your date night. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an outstanding weekend. Bye for now.